Welcome to CarCheck TV, the channel where classic cars meet quick thinking. So let's see how many you can name.
What car is this? 1955 Land Rover Series 2A. 1971 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ45. 1960 Gaz 69. 1965 and 151 Mutt. 1971 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ45. Which model is this? 1967 Jeep Gladiator M. 1970 Chevrolet QC. 1952 Dodge M37. 1966 Nissan Patrol 60. 1967 Jeep Gladiator M. Identify this car. 1950 Ford F1 military conversion. 1963 Volkswagen Type P 181. 1974 E469. 1955 Bedford RL. 1950 Ford F1 military conversion. If you're enjoying the ride, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more classic cars and quiz challenges. What model is shown? 1968 KIA KM410. 1960 Mercedes-Benz Unimog 404. 1970 Fiat Campagnola. 1953 GMC M 135. 1960 Mercedes-Benz Unimog 404. Name this vehicle. 1951 WILLYS M38A1. 1965 Datsun 520 military. 1972 Zeal 131. 1969 Peugeot P4. 1951 WILLYS M38A1. Which car is this? 1966 Volkswagen Type 2 military. 1970 Mercedes-Benz L319. 1962 Ford Econoline. 1958 Tatra 805. 1966 Volkswagen Type 2 military. If you're enjoying the ride, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more classic cars and quiz challenges. Guess this car. 1953 Land Rover 101 forward control. 1967 Austin Gyrager. 1971 Dodge W200 Power Wagon. 1970 Fiat 1107 Nuova Campagnola. 1953 Land Rover 101 forward control. What's this car? 1965 Toyota Stout Military. 1975 AM General M 880. 1957 Zastava R55. 1971 Bedford MK. 1975 AM General M 880. Which one is shown? 1950 Austin Champ. 1973 UAZ 452. 1960 IFA W50. 1964 Renault Galette. 1950 Austin Champ. If you're enjoying the ride, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more classic cars and quiz challenges. Recognize this model: 1959 GMC Sierra Military, 1965 Mercedes G-WAGEN Proto, 1954 Dodge GC Series, 1970 Daihatsu Taft, 1965 Mercedes G-WAGEN Proto. What vehicle is this? 1971 Chevrolet M1008, 1958 Land Rover Series, 1972 Ford Ranchero Military, 1966 Toyota FJ40, 1971 Chevrolet M1008. Name this car. 1956 Jeep FC 150, 1974 Dodge M880, 1960 Citroën Type H Military, 1968 Volga Gaz 24 pickup, 1956 Jeep FC 150. Guess the vehicle. 1970 Fiat 238 Military, 1969 GMC M 211, 1963 UAG 450, 1973 Mercedes 508. 1963 UAG 450. Identify this one. 1962 Maz 200V, 1969 GMC M 211, 1955 Peugeot 4A, 1975 Datsun 620 Military, 1969 GMC M 211. Which car is this? 1970 Toyota HILUX Military, 1957 Volkswagen Commander's Wagen, 1966 AROM 461, 1961 Dodge T245, 1970 Toyota HILUX Military. You made it to the end. Awesome. How many of these rides did you nail? Drop your score in the comments and make sure you're subscribed, because more wild car challenges are on the way.